Hi guys, Captain Nick again here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, standing in front of a 2018 Boston Whaler Vantage.
Hey Captain Nick, you know anything about these motors?
Thanks for asking, Serena. The Mercury Verado is a perfect pair of reliability and horsepower. Welcome to the new age of Mercury Marine. Let's hop on board and get this walkthrough started. Do you enjoy catching some rays? Do you like chilling out in the sun? Perfect, me too. That's why you'll find me on the bow of a Boston Whaler Vantage. Really nice luxurious helm station here. We've got our blank canvas. I'd probably go with a 12-inch screen, any brand of your liking. Dual throttles here on the Mercury digital throttle shift. Of course, all of our switches right here. Get your live well going, your freshwater, saltwater, all your lights. Real easy access too. Mercury vessel view, pretty much the brands of the engines back there. Tell you everything you gotta know. So what's a Boston Whaler without an oversized head down below? As you can see down there, no lack of space down in the head. But the biggest hit on the 270 Vantage is this multi-step adjustable seat. Be right here, back to back, even like so. Or my favorite, bringing her all the way down, back up to the sandbar, take a little nap ski. So if you're a family man that's also a fisherman, take a look down here. We got a big live well, keep all the fresh baits alive. Moving along over here, we've got a really nice Kenyan grill. Or as I like to say, hook them over there, cook them over here. Of course, huge amount of space back here. Easy bilge access down beneath me. Fold down seat also. Up top, we've got a sure shade. Comes out, keeps that sun off you. Mr. Shine, we love you, but sometimes it can be a little bit much. So as you guys saw earlier, this particular model is powered by twin Mercury 250 supercharged Verados. With Mercury Verado horsepower behind you and a Boston Whaler hull underneath you, you have the ability to go boldly wherever you may please. Well, I appreciate you guys joining me on this walkthrough. If you guys have any other questions about this particular model or any other boats in our inventory, please feel free to give us a call and get put in touch with myself or one of our other sales professionals down here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. You guys have a good rest of your afternoon. Captain Nick, signing off.